What are the simple indicators used to measure the pH of a solution? Well, litmus paper is one of the simple indicators used to measure the pH. It is a paper used to specify whether a solution is acidic or basic. In this figure, we have the colors of litmus under different conditions. So if a solution is neutral, it will give a purple color. If a solution is acidic, it will give a red color. And if a solution is basic, it will give a blue color. So as you can see, the litmus paper usually gives those three main colors: the red, the purple, and the blue. So as you can see here, this is how it looks. This is the reference of the colors. We have from pH 1 to pH 10. It should be to pH 14, but it's only to 10 here. We can see when we placed the first litmus paper in the first solution, it gave an orange color. Orange indicates pH 3, so this solution is acidic. The second turned blue. Blue indicates a pH 10, so this solution is basic. This is usually the easiest way to check whether a solution is acidic or basic. So we take this litmus paper, it's a neutral or light colored. We place it inside the solution. As you can see, it's turning reddish, so it's acidic. Similarly, we took another litmus paper and placed it on a lemon. We know that a lemon is acidic, but let's test it out. So we put the litmus paper on the lemon and it turned red. So this means that it is acidic. So this is how we use simple indicators, but it is important to know the three main colors that a litmus paper gives, which is the red for acidic, the purple for neutral, and blue for basic or alkaline.